Good.
Yep, go ahead.
Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, that's a nice
Oh,
one.
that's a good one.
Ooh.
Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah,
That's what you want.
that's what I wanted to see. Oh, my gosh. Yeah. Oh, and
Are these all the same?
yes, those are the same.
This one's.
Yeah, these two. That one's orange. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my gosh. Look at that big boy. It looks like a pumpkin. Look at that one. Show me that in your hand. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh wow, another big one. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh.
Look at this. This one just keeps on.
That's insane. I know. Oh my goodness. For these sweet potatoes. Oh yeah. These are the orange ones. Oh my, look at that. Holy cow! Oh my gosh! Oh wow! Hey honey, I'll split a potato with you.
Oh my god! That's gnarly. That's crazy. So they do get big.
A little bit. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, so what did we learn? This is. Ooh. This is the first time growing sweet potatoes in the boxes, and it was very successful. The next time we use the boxes, we'll add a couple more boards to the front and fill the dirt up higher, so we'll get an even better harvest than this. Thanks for watching Hobie Farms. God bless you and have a great day.